Mama wakwaba midin ede adwoa searching mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel. Mia notification bell no so for more news. Endra by election ekoso ewo Kumawu because of Honorable Basua na woye MP de Kumawu afofiantu ata Yankopon efreno. Vacancy ebeda ho nti na esese omoto aba sene beya omubenya obi na wa represent omo ewo Parliament House. Endra na abato no ekoso na abato no ebe wi no na NPP amayuku no na edi nkunim Honorable Ernest Yaw enim na sesi oye MP de Kumawu. Na ebusuafo after Endra election no ye na yehu ensema etwegu ewo internet no so wona na watch mu wona watch entoma wona watch duku ene ensem bebre na manfo ekasafa ensema ekoso Endra election no eho na Samsonwaa de ensem bia betudwa Samsonwaa etrese ne papa ene omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama opena semi pa ntikene kia 2024 de ese oba ene Facebook ne so nyasem keto akra na ensem ode ebetudwa efa Endra election ekoso no enam so ena Ghana fubia anase Honorable Muntaka ne fans abema na reply na do fomen kasenchen yenti ensema Samsonwaa ede etudwa nam so a Honorable Muntaka ne fans so abema na reply no
yentimi nyebi ye no yentimi nyebi Muntaka wo Kumasi he ya wa ama Kumasi Ay3ka omo ye friend say na romo ankra na Ghana kra to Kumawu akra to Kumawu say anka se mo be gu kromo na obi kura hu woni monyam omo buy MPP for no he mo ministers ne na sefo omo buy krom ho no mo so omo ba be pe friend say eyi obi kura hu ohun no TV so wo hu no da wo hu no kra na no kra to me increase on vote but here na relax ena general ebe papa mosquito ena Joseph I mean ena some kofo kakra bi some when as a polling agent no muntimi nya ye betimi aba be polling agent no ho no na ye obi obetimi aton ye obetimi discover abeton ye this for ye bibi abato ayeto ye ne fe ne de wo he we ye abato ayeto ayetimi so obi sasefa kotim e wo he fa a way to the wise is Sandema, it's in the north.
Ebusuafo ye na yate ensema Samsonwaa ede etudwa na asama ode oka ede efa Honorable Muntaka ne ho a o kire se Honorable Muntaka ewo Kumasi na Kumawu eto aba wantimi ankoho neno na NDC fu ni bi kire se sisi Honorable Muntaka nkonko ye den because mon promise e course na no mu ye bia senka ontumi mba power otini ba bi dwen ne ho enti nkonko ye den ewo ho no na ene nsem omo ka no omo etrese the see Endra no kwa de mu hu hwe 2024 na biggest defeat na nkasa ebeba enya de omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama obebende anase ochina na yenti reply a Ghana fu bi ede ema Samsonwaa we etrese hey madam leave Muntaka out of this your nonsense. You wanted Muntaka's downfall. God has punished them. They have seen nothing yet. We will make sure your Mahama lose in Ashanti region. Fool. And I went so Michael or say Bunsu and our chese. Okujato came to Ashanti region and nobody attacked him. And so we expect him also to tell his people that in election, everybody is allowed to go to any other place in Ghana. So, in Ghana to be a polling agent of his or her party. We also Michael and our church say, come to power to do what? With akoko enkete enkuko buo okada policies and I went so and I'll just say, so do you think JDM will win again? Please stop thinking that. So JDM is only a white person in NDC and I went so and I'll just say, wait for the NDC biggest defeat in 2024. You think winning election is all about social media insults or what? You've seen nothing yet. and when so HSN. NDC couldn't even convince their own branch executives. We have 9 branch executives, but the NDC candidate got 3 votes in some polling stations. Where are the other 6 branch executives? Party national executives couldn't convince their branch executives. That should be your worry and not the agents. And I went so a bad for you as Samsonwaa and I say Jimie ke kankwa na NDC nim. Tell your people to learn how to count figures or collating of election results and more. And you know, reply we and na NDC for be a day ama Samsonwaa.
She NPP for you the buses. Sa womo. Edi omo ba kroma se omo mambe convince nkrofo no mo to abama womo. NDC for penny for na mom kra mo V8 amuso se omo ba no. Mo jade na bo mi papa se di nketia so Joseph Yami so. Shoku the to black or the voting the time. Eba so person we polling agent. How many MPs ene ye hu omo say these people omakwa akwa yes ade no. Wono kwa na NDC ni ana. Okuta tabla akwa no ono kwa na NDC ni. Shenipa MPP for to be basse womo. They bass all of them. Omo basse womo nyina. Eti ye yetimi nya bi. Ye no yetimi nya bi.
Muntaka wo he.
Muntaka wo Kumasi he ya wa ama. Kumasi Ay3ka de omo ye friend say. Na romo mo nkra na Ghana kra to Kumawu akra to Kumawu say. Anka se mo begu kromo na obi kura hu woni monyam. Omo buy MPP for no hwe mo ministers ne na sefo omo buy krom ho no mo. So omo ba be pe friend say eyi. Obi kura hu ohun no TV so wo hu no da wo hu no kra na no kra to me increase on vote. But here I relax and a general a papa a mosquito and a Joseph I mean and some a kofoka krebi. Someone has a polling agent no you want to me nya. Yeah, you bet me about a polling agent no home. Near who be bet me a toy. Or bet me this caba toy. At least for your baby. About try to any fanny day away. Where you about try yet to I had to be so busy as if I could sing. Ever heifer. Away to the wise is the Sandema, it's in the north. Show could the tab black or the voting the time. Eba so person or your polling agent. How many MPs any who almost say these people on Makwa yes adiano. One on NDC niana. Could the tab black one on